Nestled in the Piedmont area of Oakland, our Safety Training Seminars location on Santa Clara Ave provides an ideal environment for healthcare providers, students, and community members to gain life-saving skills. Unlike generic online courses, our training is certified by the American Heart Association and combines flexible online modules with in-person practice, so you don't just learn theory, you build real-world confidence. Oakland's diverse healthcare community makes this location a hub for doctors, nurses, EMTs, dental staff, and medical students who need to stay current on certifications. At the same time, teachers, childcare providers, and parents join our courses to strengthen their ability to respond to emergencies at home, school, or work. With same-day certification cards, daily class availability, and evening and weekend sessions, our Oakland Piedmont location is one of the most convenient and trusted CPR training centers in the East Bay. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.